My name is kimoBestPlayer. Today we will do a nice video of my friend Googly Head. I know that's a funny name, but I like that name. So this is the card which one I have, the screw. Here I have a sock. Here I have a spider. Here I have a screw. Here I have a underwears or something. Here I think I have a bug. I know that's funny. Eyeball. I don't know what is eyeball. Are you afraid of eyeballs? If you're an eyeball, come out. Here I have a worm. Actually, worms are out. Here I have coronavirus. Here I have Legos. Here I have caca. Here I have a brain. Here I have a spork, a fork and a spoon. Here I have a blaster, and inside here is all this stuff. And I'm gonna flip them and mix them. I'm gonna do like this better because I need to do like that. Because this is how the game works. Flip the cards and choose a card. This is how the game works first. So I'm gonna flip them. Just have 3 more to go. Boom. With the caca. And later, Legos. So I'm gonna choose one card. I choose this one. It's the Lego. I must feel it from inside my brain head. I can also see it and feel it. I must see it and feel it. Where is it? Is it right around here? Hey, I think I feel it. I think this is it. Yes! I found it! Now I'm gonna put it right here if you can see. You can see it? Okay. So I'm gonna choose this one. Ew, it's the caca! I will need to touch it. It's right next to me. It's right here. I know this is disgusting. Wait, what else did I get? I think I'm gonna get the spider. I want to get. I'm not allowed to look. Why did I just cheat? Here is my friend. They look like this. And later, here's the spider. Ouch! The spider just spooked me. What are you doing, guys? Stop it! Hey, I forgot to choose a card. Not the underwear. Okay. Underwear is big and I will definitely feel it as fast as I can. I already feel it. It's right here. The underwear. Underwears are funny. It's actually with a pee-pee. I'm not joking. The bug. Where is that baggy bug? Where is it? I think I feel it. Nope, that's the mouse. It's right here. Is it this one? No, that's not it. I will try to cheat. Okay? I was just joking. Is this it? No, that's the mouse. Where is it? Where are you? Buggy! Let me try from his nose. His nose. What are you doing? Stop it. Gonna make me laugh more. And say weird stuff. Like the caca again. What are you doing? Stop it. I'm trying to focus to find my bug. Did it like fall or something? Nah. Where will it fall? Hello. In his ears. Till now I didn't find my bug. Okay, I'm gonna leave that. Can't forget that. From his nose. The screw. Screw it. I think I feel the bug. The nose missing right here. Right here. So I already found it. Right here. Finally. Ouch. Right, it goes right here. Right next to you. It's right behind you. It's right behind you. No, it's in your head. I still need to find that screw. I think I feel it. Yes, it's a green screw. I thought it was gonna be this blue screw, but it's actually a green screw. It's okay. I thought I have a blue screw. The missing eyeball of yours. He actually lost one of his eyeballs because he was having 3, but he lost one. So I'm gonna find it for him. Sorry. Where is that my eyeball? What? I think I feel like a ball. Please tell me this is the eyeball. Please tell me this is the eyeball. Ow! It's right here. Put it back on. Where's my eyeball? My eyeball is back. Let me just put my eyeball there. This is the brain. Right here. Does this look like the brain of your head? It is in your brain. It's his brain. He has a brain and he's inside of him. So that's good. I already found it. So fast. Weird. That's really weird that I find it so quick. Because I must keep losing the stuff. Let me just mix him. Help! What the? Yeah. This is how it looks from the back. Supposed to be. With the mouse. The text is also right here. And this is the fork. Hoppa, this is the fork right here. So let's try to find it. The fork, so quickly. I already feel it, the fork. Or should I call it spork? Or Forky from Toy Story 4. Here he is, the Forky. Let's put that there. Gonna put it right next to the spider and Lego. What do I get next? This blaster! Let's feel it. This time I'm not gonna cheat. So you don't let me cheat anymore. I think I already feel it. No, that's not. Where are you, cheat? Hi! From of his nose. Alright here. Hoppa. What are you doing? Stop it! I'm trying to focus right here. You don't see? I'm trying to find a cluster. Right here? Nah, that's not it. That looked like one of my old games. That's weird. So, where is it? Okay, I'm gonna give up soon. It's okay, maybe I'll find it in my next try. Let me just check very careful if it is somewhere in the side of it. And the ear, right here, right here. Is it right here? I'm pulling his hair out. I found it! Here it is! I finally found it till now. That took very long for sure. Let me just put it here. How many cards do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I have 4 cards left. Not the sock. It's your sock, you better be. And stinky, and you make it touched. Ouch. Sorry, that fault. Let me just pick it up and put it back in the table. Whoa! Oh. Ouch. I hit myself too. Here's the sock. Boom. Does something get out? Nope. Nothing. Let's put that right here. You can see if you can. Because I don't really know. Now, the screwdriver. I call it a screwdriver because I haven't done. Is it really? I found it so fast. Right in under here. So, wait, where's the other screw? Here it is. Now I can twist it. Chit, 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 chit. Why did I put just this one right here? I need to put the screw there. Let's put this right here if you can see. No, not this one. It's a warm-up. It's gonna be so easy to find it. It's gonna be so easy. Wait, it's not easy. I thought it was easy for a second, but I guess not. From his other ear. From ear to ear. Till now I didn't found it. Is it up in his ear? Right here? Right next to me somewhere? Above? What about above the other? Oh, this got to be disgusting. Right here. Right here. Do you think I can reach? I make it. Whoopa. The last card. This got to be. What do it look like? I'm missing. The what? What you said? Coronavirus. Ah, you got to be kidding me. I must find it. The coronavirus. Where are you, coronavirus? Did I disappear from here? Before I folded, you gotta pick it. I just touched the coronavirus. Now I have coronavirus in my hand. It's right here. Oh, this is actually fake coronavirus. But I'm just gonna put it. Maybe it was real. And maybe someone touched it. Get out! Coronavirus? Here. I gave it to you if you can see. Let's wash my hands. I want to play this again. Did you have fun? I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.